Hello everyone, my name is Yumo, welcome back to the channel, and this time we got another Patreon request coming fresh onto this channel, and it's from Kisei. Thank you so much for your patronage, and thank you so much for requesting Nature and their song called Girls. I have heard of Nature just through a trading card game that we have on our Discord, link in the description. That's the only time that I've ever heard about this group. But other than that, I have never listened to any of their music or checked anything out that they put out. But yeah, this time we're gonna get to it thanks to Kisei, and I literally I have no expectation. This could sound like everything, and I kind of love that. Just going into this fully blind, head first. Kind of exciting, guys, to see what we'll see in this video. And yeah, guys, enough talking. If you're new here and you want to request some stuff, head on over to the Patreon. If you just want to ride along on the YouTube journey, sub to the channel, helps me out greatly. But other than that, guys, let's kick back, enjoy, and see what Nature got for us. Kisei's requests are usually like top tier, so this is gonna be good. Ooh, a lot of scissors. It's really loud, by the way. Gotta make sure you guys can hear me. We have a good audio quality, but I like the beat so far. Ooh, really groovy. I dig it, dig it. Oh my god, the visuals of the music video. Damn. That's like a proper beautiful video. How come I never heard of them actually? Like, ooh, the short hair looked great on her. Ooh. This part is nice. This part is nice. Vibey. Some broken glass. Don't touch that girl, you're gonna cut yourself. Monkeys. Ooh, but ooh, I love the sound. Oh my god. Yes. Woo. Didn't expect that turn up. Oh god, the instrumental is fantastic. Dude, nice! We're really liking this song so far. The video is a little creepy. Just a little bit. But it's also like really, really good. So, gotta give it to them. Oh, it was like standing in the middle of a night. This, but this bops though, holy shit. But this video is just like, please be careful. Oh, I got the dance. Okay. It was also like called uncensored version or something. Oh my god, this dance break, come on, get it. Ooh, visuals. Ooh, that's a nice effect. Ooh, her voice. Oh my god, that song is fire! I've never heard this before, how? Oh my god, totally up my alley, that song. This video is turning creepier and creepier by the second. What did that poor teddy bear do to you? Oh my goodness. It's the uncensored version. Oh my, what was that? Jesus. That video was Okay, I see you. Playing with fire, like playing with scissors and axes in that case. But I freaking like that. The song itself. Oh, yes. Be right back, adding that to my playlist. Girls, nature. There it is. Go in there. Thank you. Alright, we got that in. That song's a banger. That's my quote on it. That song is a fucking banger. Like, the chorus, yes please. The dance to it was also amazing. They had some great vocals, and the rap part after the first chorus. Really, really nice. Really, really liking it. That was so good. Also, like, totally not what I was expecting. Like, as I said, we have this trading card game on our Discord server. And there's, I think, just one era of cards on there, and they look just like really, really happy, really like bright and colorful, and like, as you would think, like nature, I guess, like really, really energetic, happy group. But this concept, dark, and I like that. Dark was what initially got me in love with Dreamcatcher, and it's currently capturing me with Pixie. So I like these like dark concepts. Guys, give me some feedback on that group, like general information. How long have they been around? Is there any other songs that I like have to check out or something? Please tell me. But yeah, guys, I'm eager to read. Guys, stay safe. Send you a lot of love, and then hopefully see some comments down below, and see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.